Palm trees bending in the hurricane breeze. Smoke curls slow while the rain drip clean. Street lights melting in the puddles below. Whole world blurry, but I'm letting it go. Windows fogging while the baseline sway. Thunder rolls soft in the back of my brain. Sky gone dark, but the vibe feel warm. Getting high while the eye of the storm. Water running down the side of the glass. Watching headlights fade while the night drift past. Everybody rushing, trying to outrun rain. I'm just floating through it all in a purple haze. Clouds moving low like they touching the ground. Static in the air, but there's peace in the sound. Light a glow bright for a second and fade. Like a little orange moon in the middle of gray. And the wind sing low like an overset. Rain hit rhythm on the rooftop fence. Nothing really mattered for a moment or two. Just smoke in the air and the storm rolling through. Thunder